Hi guys, my name is Rhino, and today we're gonna make a shirt completely in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm gonna show you my processes going through Illustrator and finding the elements that you need to be able to incorporate this, and then maybe at the end I'll show you how to separate it, but mainly we're gonna go through the shirt design itself. So come on and we're gonna learn. So as you see right here, we have an esports logo that I made for a client. His name is Panda Dabs. It's kind of lacking some things to be put on a shirt. Like, yeah, it could be used as a left chest, but as a full shirt, it doesn't really translate well. So we're gonna add some elements and see how they go. The first thing I kind of want to do is I kind of want to make a circle, press the L button and then circle it out. We're gonna use the gray, the black, the green rather, and we're gonna center it. Actually, I think we're gonna go black, and then we're gonna go to object, flatten transparency, and then we're gonna give it a green stroke. And we're gonna set this, if you look right here, onto a line stroke, we can set it to outside, and we can make it just that big. And we're gonna flatten it again, object, flatten transparency. Okay, we're gonna make these the same green. As you can see, we're starting to get somewhere a little bit here and there. I think what I want to do is find a darker green to put behind here. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's missing an element, and I think I know what the element is, so let me go get it and then I'll bring it back. All right, so I found this on Pixabay, not sponsored. They have a lot of like silhouetted images and stuff like that. I use Pixabay and FreePic for a lot of my stuff, so I can use them freely as I will. So this, I think, is gonna go right behind the panda, and now you see that the strokes and the leaf kind of mesh together. So we're gonna give this a stroke. We're gonna give it a black stroke. We're gonna align it to the outside, and we're gonna go in black. I want black. Sometimes Illustrator's fidgety. It's okay. And I think we're gonna edit these. Let me edit these ends real quick. So to edit them, you're just gonna press the P tool, and you see how the plus sign comes up on your line. Hit it. And then we're just gonna drag them out, and I'm gonna do that for every single one of these. All right, this is what we have so far. It's looking pretty good, but I don't think this is just all that we're gonna do. We need to have his name in here. I think we're gonna pretend that it's a cannabis company. Okay, that's what we're gonna pretend it is. Okay, so we got cannabis. We're gonna center these, and we're gonna find a font. I don't know what fonts that we have. All right, we landed on this guy called Hothead, but before I do anything, I want to see what it's gonna be looking like on dark colors, because this is the biggest problem that we have, is not being able to see what on earth we're doing. All right, I think we want to brighten these greens up. Well, not brighten them, but mute them out a little bit. And I think I don't want this circle anymore. I don't think I want this circle anymore. And if I did, actually, I'd want it to be this color. And maybe the outside, the out ring, can be white. This inner ring can be, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna fix that real quick. There we go. All right, so we got this. Now I think we're gonna go white on the text. We gotta center it, and we're gonna go to effect, warp, and then we're gonna arch it. Do I want to arch it? Actually, we're gonna go to arch lower, and we're gonna bring this in a little bit, and then I know you're not supposed to do this, but we're just gonna expand it a little bit. And we're gonna do new text, and it's gonna be Panda, P-A-N-D-A, dubs. Panda dubs with a space. We'll put a space there. I'm a big fan of aligning everything as I go, if you haven't noticed yet. And I think we want just little lines here to here. And the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna make one line, set it as a stroke, Shift W, we're gonna wide out this area right here, and then we're gonna taper the edges. And we're gonna just copy and paste it right to there. I kind of just like this. I am going back and forth with it. I kind of just like this. There's some points here that I do want to get rid of, so I'm gonna go through that. Just like that. Panda dubs, let's expand that. And I think I want like a rich green, but like I also don't want it like to be too rich. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm going back and forth between a lot of things here, and I apologize, guys. I really do. This is more an advanced type tutorial, so if you're not following along, you have questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll keep those to the sides. Right now, I do need. So I'm gonna do text on a path. So we're gonna hold on to the text button, do path tool, click right here, and we're gonna do premium. Premium quality, and we're gonna go type on a path, type on a path options, flip it. Ooh, I can't see anything. We want to go, wait. All right, type on a path, type on a path options, flip it. And then we want to change this to ascender. And we're gonna change this to a smaller font, small. All right. Just like that. That didn't work. That worked. And then we want to make another circle, hopefully coming off these two things. And we're going to use the scissors tool. A lot of people don't use the scissors tool. We're going to cut right here, here, then up to here. We're going to delete the excess. And we're going to click on one of them, Shift W, change the width of them. And to get it exactly right, we're just gonna flip this. Control C, Control Shift V, transform, reflect. Well, sheesh. Sheesh. Change those to white real quick. And I'm not really too sure to put where to put this ESTD 2002-22, but I think we're gonna squish it right in here. So before I go, I want to see how this looks like on an actual shirt. So I'm gonna save this, and we're gonna open up Photoshop and put it on a shirt. And look at what we have here. We have the Panda Dubs Cannabis Premium Quality. And I think this looks good. And it's only a 3, maybe 4 color design, which is awesome when you're screen printing. DTG, you can do anything, but this is what I was going for the whole time. I love this. This is what I think I want to do. So if the client wants to do something with it, he can, and that will be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, this was more of an intermediate tutorial, trying to get used to Illustrator and stuff like that. But if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll do more simpler stuff later, but I really just wanted to get this out of the way, try to get you into exercising your ideas and trying to get what you want out on your Illustrator artboard. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again.